Thank you, President. Well, and thank the reporter for a comprehensive and really well-intended report. The problem with Macedonia and, well, solving this problem is really a showcase of how things could be solved if there is goodwill. Who is more called to help Macedonia to cross this bridge of the name or whatever than Greek presidency? Wouldn't it now be the right time to do it? Otherwise, the country that has really done a lot of efforts and well, showed a lot of will to make reforms is stopped on this cornerstone of name, and what does it do? It turns towards the past. What else could they do, really? If we want to turn the country towards the future, we should help them, and Greek presidency on the first place. Relations with neighbors are essential because primarily of geopolitical situation of Macedonia. We know the map where it is surrounded by what, and it should have excellent relations with the neighbors, but the European Union and this committee are here to help them. Thank you.